How to fix WARDOGS application error? The application was unable to start correctly. 0xc0000142 error. First step, restart your device. Once the restart complete, after move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click run as administrator and type the following text. SFC /scan now. Click enter and wait for some times. The process will take some times. Is actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once complete after, exit it. Then move on with next step. Click settings. Click app settings. Click install app. Scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you having the older version means you need to go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version. If you already having the latest version means click the three dot icon, click modify and click repair. You need to download both 64 and 86-bit. Close it. Click the three dot icon, click modify and click repair. Once complete after, close it, then move on with next step. Click settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. Click check for update. If there is any download pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Next step, open this PC, go to C drive, click it, click program files and check for EC anti-cheat folder. Click it and double click the EC anti-cheat. If EC anti-cheat not having means go to the installation location of WARDOGS and check for EC anti-cheat. Then move on with next step. Click settings. Click system settings. Click display settings. Scroll down. Click graphics settings. Under advanced graphics settings, disable the hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. Once disabling after, close it, then restart your device. Thank you.